Hello friends, today in this video we are going to solve some problem based on angle between two lines. So student, first question, if the angle between two lines is pi by 4, that is 45 degree, and the slope of one of the lines is 1 by 2. Then find the slopes of the other lines. So, solution. What given? The angle between the two lines, that is, let theta be the angle between two lines, angle between two lines, and this theta is given pi by 4. So you write pi by 4. Okay. Now slope of one of the line is 1 by 2. Let the slope of L1, line 1, is M1, that is equal to 1 by 2 given. And we have to find the slope of the other lines. So you consider, let the slope of other line, you may say L2 is equal to M2. Okay. Now we have to find the slope of other line. And you know the formula, angle between the two lines, that is tan theta is equal to M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 into M2. This, where 1 plus M1 into M2 does not equal to 0. This. Here theta value is pi by 4. You can write here 10 pi by 4 is equal to, you can write, it is positive as well as negative. So you can write M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 into M2, or you may write 10 pi by 4 is equal to minus M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 into M2. Okay. Now we solve these two equations, then we can find the slope of other lines. So here you know 10 pi by 4 is equal to 1. In this you write M1 given 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. M1 is given 1 by 2. Okay. Then 1 plus 1 by 2 M2. Similarly, right side, the equation 10 pi by 4, you can write 1, and then you can write this M2, M1 is given half by 1 plus M1 into M2. M1 is half, here you write half. Now you multiply, cross multiply. So you get 1 plus 1 by 2 M2 is equal to M2 minus 1, 2. That is equal to you can get 1 minus 1 plus 2, that is equal to m2 minus 1 by 2 m2, that is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to what? 1 by 2 m2. Then you get m2 is equal to 3. m2 is equal to 3. So slope of the other line is equal to 3. Now we shall solve this one. Then you get 1 plus 1 by 2 m2 is equal to minus m2 plus 1 by 2. You multiply here, then you open the bracket, then you get. Then this 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus m2 minus 1 by 2 m2. This is equal to 1 by 2. Here you get minus 3 by 2 m2. Then 2 cancel. Then we get 1 is equal to minus 3 m2. And m2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. So we have two slopes, that is 3 and minus 1 by 3 for the line L2. Understood? We have two slopes. One is m2, that is 3, and another is also m2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. So for two lines, here you see for this line which is making angles pi by 4, that is 45 degree with the line L1. Also this line is making pi by 4 with the line L1, that is 45 degree. Okay, so M1 is given 1 by 2, so M2 we have 3 as well as minus 1 by 3. Two slopes. Two lines are making angle 45 degree with line L1. Here you see this line and this line. And here you see this is acute angle, so slope is positive, that is 3. Here you see this angle is obtuse angle, so slope is negative. Understood, student? Here you see exercise question, exercise number 10.1. Question number is 11, which is based on the angle between two lines. Okay, so here you see the slope of a line is double the slope of another line if the tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3. Find the slope of the lines. Two lines given. The angle between two lines given. That means your angle between two lines, the tangent of angle between two lines is 1 by 3. Angle is given, suppose theta, then tangent of theta is given, tan theta is given 1 by 3. Okay? And we have to find the slope of the two lines which are intersecting each other. So, let the slope of L1 and L2, two lines, let one be L1, another is L2, be M1 and M2 respectively. The slope of L1 and L2 be M1 and M2 respectively. And angle between them is theta. Let theta. Then tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3. Then what given? Tan theta is given 1 by 3. Then find the slope of the line. Find M1 and M2. Okay? So you know the relation, the equation. Tan theta is equal to M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 into M2 is 1 plus M1 into M2 is not equal to 0. This you know. Here what given? Tan theta value is given 1 by 3. So you can write 1 by 3. This may be positive, may be negative. So you can write M2 minus M1, 1 plus M1 into M2. Or you may write tan theta. Tan theta is 1 by 3, and you can write this M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 into M2. Okay? If you solve these two equations, then you get the slope of the two lines. Another thing is given here. See, the slope of a line is double the slope of another line. So, slope of M1, let M1 slope is M, then M2 will be 2M. Two slope M1 and M2. Suppose M1 is M, and the another slope will be what? M2 is equal to 2M. Okay, the slope of a line is double the slope of another line. If one is M, then another will be 2M. Or you may take like this. M2 is M, then M1 will be 2M. Okay? You may write this way or this way. Okay? Now, you put in this equation 1 by 3 is equal to M2. We have taken 2M minus M1. M1 is what? M. by 1 plus m1 m m2 2m. Then you solve it. Here m by 1 plus 2 into m square, m into m square. Okay? Then you multiply, cross multiplication, then you get 1 plus 2m square is equal to 3m, and you can write 2m square minus 3m plus 1 is equal to 0. This equation you can write. Similarly, you simplify it, you get this kind of quadratic equation. 1 by 3 minus 2m minus m by 1 plus m into 2m, that is equal to 1 by 3 minus 2m minus m by 1 plus 2m square, that is equal to cross multiplication. Then you get 1 plus 2m square is equal to minus 3m, that is equal to 1 2m square plus 3m plus 1 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. If you solve these two quadratic equations, then you can get m, means m1, slope of L1, that is m1 you get. C. Splitting middle term, 2m minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. 2m m minus 1 and m minus 1 is equal to 0. Then m minus 1 into 2m minus 1 equal to 0. That is equal to m minus 1 equal to 0 or 2m minus 1 equal to 0. That is equal to m equal to 1 or m equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, here also you solve this. 2m plus m plus 1 is equal to 0. Then 2m into m plus 1 plus 1 m plus 1 to 0. That is equal to m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 equal to 0. That is equal to m plus 1 equal to 0 or 2m plus 1 equal to 0. That is equal to m equal to minus 1 or m equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now we have m value, 4m value. Okay. So, the slope of L1, that is equal to m1, is m. So, here m1, slope of L2 is equal to m2, that is equal to 2m. Okay. When m1 then m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is equal to 2. When m is equal to 1 by 2, then m1 is equal to 1 by 2 and m2 is equal to 2 into m, that is equal to 1. Okay, and when m equal to minus 1, then m1 is equal to minus 1 and m2 is equal to, you multiply 2. When m equal to minus 1 by 2, then m1 equal to minus 1 by 2 and m2 is equal to, you multiply here 2, this, then you get minus 1. So, the slopes of the lines, the slopes of the line will be this. The slope of L1 is 1, slope of L2 is 2, or this, the slope of L1 is equal to 1 by 2 and slope of L2 is equal to 1, or the slope of L1 is equal to minus 1 and slope of L2 is equal to minus 2, or the slope of L1 equal to minus 1 by 2 and slope of L2 is equal to minus 1. So 4. Okay, option. So this way you can solve the problem based on angle between two lines. If slopes are given, then you can find the angle between the two lines. If angle is given and one slope is given, then you can find another slope. Okay? Or angle is given and the relation between two slopes are given, then also you can find the slopes of the lines. So student, for today this much. Thank you for watching.